These are recent voicemails on my phone. If I tap into any one of them, I have a transcription of the call right here. To get that appear on your phone, you have to set a special setting called live transcription, and then this will be typed out for you inside your voicemail tab on your phone app. It's super cool. To set this up, all you have to do is go to settings, scroll down till you get to apps, tap on that, tap on the P on the right hand side, or scroll down to it if you want to, then tap on phone. Here, scroll down about halfway till you get to an option called live voicemail. Turn that on, and then your voicemails will be transcribed into text. This even happens live, which the name implies, which means that as they're leaving the message, it's being typed out. So if you recognize the caller, for example, if it's a number you don't recognize, so you don't answer, but then you recognize who it is based on what they're saying, you can quickly answer the call while they're leaving the message. That's like old school answering machines were in the 80s and the 90s. So that's a super cool feature. If you want that turned on, turn it on here, and then pretty soon you'll be seeing transcriptions in your voicemail app, just like this one right here. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's got to be done on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.